Hopefully this won't be too painful.
I can't wait to walk on the street like this.
Hello, my name is Zoe, and I am glowing up
With me, hi.
for a boy.
I'm Chat GPT.
Every woman needs powerful strategists. Look at me, I got Chappie. Actually, I don't know if Chat GPT likes that name. I haven't told her yet.
What do you think about this outfit?
Seriously, can I not talk? So there might be this boy. No, I meant I really want to go to Illinois.
More awkward silence.
Let's go.
I just ate blueberries and my lips are a little purple. Yovi, you're right by my laptop. We are going to do some brainstorming for how to glow up. Actually, we're not doing anything. AI is doing everything. Clearly, I need to put my chain on for this research. Getting serious. Hello, Miss AI or Mr. AI. So, I am trying to glow up.
That's great.
Wow, it's going.
It can involve various aspects such as personal style, skincare, fitness, and self-care. Here are a few tips to help you on your journey.
Is ChatGPT written by a male or a female? Meaning, does it appeal to the male gaze or the female gaze or neither? We shall find out through this glow up. When we see our mystery boy's reaction to the glow up at the end of this video.
Okay, before we get into the chaos, glow up. How dare you break my heart? Yes, you. When I look at my channel, 68% of y'all keep on watching but never subscribe. That is straight up playing with my heart, okay?
It'd be great if you subscribe. Help a girl reach 2 million this year. Love you.
And guess what? I read comments, so I know who's been a True Squad member. I will reply or react to every single comment of this video, so
Practice good posture.
I feel a little bit attacked. How did AI know I was slouching?
Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated.
I have acne right now. Who allowed you to be here? What are your suggestions?
Dealing with acne can be challenging, but there are several steps you can take to manage it effectively. Here are some suggestions. Stick to a gentle skincare routine.
I swear I look cuter in person.
Avoid touching your face. Touching your face can transfer bacteria and oils from your hands to your skin, which can exacerbate acne.
Fight me.
Use over-the-counter acne treatments.
This is supposed to be strong and powerful.
It's like my immune system or something.
Well, that worked out great.
Be mindful of your diet. While there isn't strong evidence linking specific foods to acne, some individuals find that certain foods, such as dairy or high glycemic foods, may trigger breakouts.
Can't see it because I'm wearing foundation and concealer, but probably 5 out of my 10 acnes are from the 3rd bar of chocolate I already finished. This one is basically done. This one is halfway done. I hate to do this, but goodbye. Remember me. Time to move on. Shoot, I'm touching my face.
Consult a dermatologist. If your acne persists or is severe, it's a good idea to seek professional help.
Good news, the dermatologist's office has availabilities. Bad news, it's at 7:50.
Hi, I'd like to be on Accutane.
I'm liking number 4. Dress you express yourself? Please, that's all I do.
speaking of experimenting with styles and outfits, I have to tell you a secret. I got big help thanks to today's sponsor, ThreadUp. Want to know a way to level up your style without breaking the bank and be a little more sustainable? Thrifting with ThreadUp. Summertime is the time to dress cute for dates, errands, everything. Like this Tommy dress, perfect for a date. Originally $130, ThreadUp, under $40. This polo dress I wear everywhere. This other Tommy dress I wear everywhere. This Tommy top for just $18 that is so classy and goes so well with denim. Such as this Levi skirt for just $13. And better yet, you could thrift my picks at link in my description and use code Zoe for extra 40% off plus free shipping on your first order. You'd be surprised at what you can find.
Okay, Chat GPT. Is it okay if I call you Chappie? Chappie. That's cute.
Of course, you can call me Chappie if you prefer.
Okay, Chappie.
Here are some self-care routines that can benefit a girl in her 20s. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity not only helps improve your fitness but also boosts your energy levels, mood, and self-confidence. Find activities you enjoy, such as dancing, swimming, or playing a sport, and make them a part of your routine. Keep your hair clean. If you have long hair, make sure to keep it clean and away from your face, as hair products and oils can contribute to acne along the hairline and forehead. Taking care of yourself is essential, especially during your 20s when you're navigating through various life changes. Embrace self-care. Take time for self-care activities that make you feel good.
I just walked out the shower and this is what I see. A man cleaning my windows. My blinds were not off and I was not wearing pants. So wear pants at home, kids.
Manage stress. Stress can potentially aggravate acne. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as engaging in regular exercise, practicing relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing, and getting enough sleep.
It is 3:58 a.m.
Get enough sleep.
Journaling, or engaging in hobbies that help reduce stress and promote relaxation.
Hey Chappie, what are some foods to fight inflammation?
Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet can help combat inflammation in the body. Here are some examples of foods that are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Leafy greens. Kale, spinach, Swiss chard, and other leafy greens are abundant in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can combat inflammation. Hydration is essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Ginger, green tea, dark chocolate.
Oh my. I was supposed to order ginger shots that are this size, but instead we have this. Hello. Zoe, yes. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, and other fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids.
I'm just so excited to eat this. It's been a long day. I eat poke with a spoon, okay? Deal with it.
Which have potent anti-inflammatory effects.
Turmeric shot?
Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It can be used in cooking or taken as a supplement.
That hit.
Wait, what about avocados?
Apologies for the oversight. Avocados are indeed an excellent addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been associated with reduced inflammation in the body. Avocados also contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that may help combat inflammation. Furthermore, avocados provide essential nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, support digigestive health, and contribute to a balanced diet. You're not only stacking up on avocados and incorporating them into your meals. Get creative with your avocado recipes and enjoy the many benefits they offer. Remember to balance your diet with a variety of other anti-inflammatory foods as well. While avocados are nutritious and beneficial for health, it's important to consume them in moderation due to their high calorie and fat content.
No, this is no longer Whole Foods. This is my own fridge drawer. Yes.
As a general guideline, it's recommended to consume about half an avocado per day as part of a balanced diet.
We're just gonna ignore that.
My other obsession is eating berries.
Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and other berries are packed with antioxidants and flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation.
Good pick. These are unwashed. I should be fine, right?
Hygiene and grooming. Don't forget to take care of other hygiene and grooming tasks, such as brushing your teeth.
Get ready to strip. So unsatisfying. I freaking hate whitening strips. This is nasty. I always have a lisp when I have this.
Using mouthwash and shaving if needed.
What if I hate shaving?
If you dislike shaving or find it time-consuming, there are alternative methods of hair removal that you can explore. Here are a few options. Waxing depilatory creams.
The last time I waxed, I think I shed more than one tear.
Epilation laser hair removal.
Shall we try laser?
It may be a cost-effective option in the long run.
Gosh, I am running late. I should not be vlogging rapidly, but come on, people have somewhere to be. Hopefully this won't be too painful. Okay, time for Mazzillion. I'm extremely terrified of pain, but
Deciding whether to try laser hair removal is a personal choice that depends on several factors. Laser hair removal offers long-lasting results compared to temporary methods like shaving or waxing. It can significantly reduce hair growth in the treated areas, leading to smoother skin and less frequent maintenance.
so much easier than I imagined. I was just gonna say, it's a good feeling. Also, you guys, I'm very scared. I parked in a zone that they said no parking, and we're about to find out if I got a ticket again. Oh my, just kidding, clear.
I think it is different from what I'm imagining. What are you lasering?
Just like full body.
Full body.
What are the best ways to express yourself?
With half pink hair and half black hair, you have a unique and eye-catching look to work with. Start with a smooth, even base by applying a foundation or tinted moisturizer that matches your skin tone.
But it can help us find meaning and work towards forgiveness.
Apply a coat or two of mascara to lengthen and volumize your lashes.
The face a woman makes when applying mascara and eyeliner is one she does not want to show to her crush. Do you guys think men glow up for the girls they like? All the men, please comment.
Experiment with winged eyeliner or graphic eyeliner styles. Opt for a subtle blush and a natural shade to add a touch of warmth to your cheeks. If you're looking for dramatic makeup looks that can make a statement, glitter and metallic.
Chappie said glitter, so we're gonna do glitter. That was my period flow coming through. Definitely felt that. Yes, no, do we like her? Whatever. I don't feel very glowed up right now. Maybe what I need is a trash bag.
Experiment with different styles and find what suits your personality and body shape. Don't be afraid to express your unique sense of style.
If you're like WTF Zoe, what are you doing?
A garbage bag could look good if you know how to wear it.
Well, I accidentally dug a hole for myself. Okay.
Listen, I was not kidding. Should we do black or white? I feel like this is a little see-through. Okay, so that's that. Black it is. Not even gonna use a marker.
I understand that you may be interested in exploring unique and unconventional styles. Whether it's a themed party, a cultural event, or a casual outing, putting effort into your outfit and embracing your individuality will make a lasting impression.
I messed up a little. Just a little. I will fix this, okay? I will fix this. Yeah, I don't want to be a fixer, Olivia. That's not my job. I'm a content creator, not a fixer. Nice. Adds dimension.
Cut the garbage bag to your desired length and experiment with draping and gathering techniques to create an asymmetric dress. Opt for a casual outfit with a unique twist.
Casual with a twist. I like twists. Welcome to Unlimited Couture Spring 2023 edition.
Incorporate unique and eye-catching statement pieces into your outfit.
Statement pieces. Or statement.
Play with textures. Experiment with textures and fabrics to create a visually appealing outfit.
I am the designer. You can applaud now. Very hot fashion. My period is really rushing through right now. Okay, now it's coming through. It symbolizes asymmetry of life and want and need and an imbalance between, I think this outfit is a slay. No one argue with me, please. I'm on my period. You're digging yourself a hole. A hole. Why am I glowing up for a man? Am I Chappie? You think I'm glowing up for a man?
As an AI language model, I don't have the ability to assess your physical appearance or evaluate. I would encourage you to focus on your own personal growth and well-being rather than worrying about impressing others. Prioritize your own happiness and self-confidence rather than seeking validation from someone else. You are amazing just the way you are.
How do I not attract a guy?
If a man truly cares about you, he will appreciate and accept you for who you are, regardless of how you look.
How do I look? My worst. How do we do this?
Remember, makeup is a form of self-expression, so feel free to adapt this style to your own preferences. While beauty is subjective, an ugly makeup look typically involves intentionally exaggerating or distorting features in a way that is considered unconventional or unflattering by societal standards.
I might start to look like a clown. Good morning, sweetheart.
Overdone or unflattering techniques. Apply heavy and messy application techniques.
Alright, that was me being in character. Now this is what I call a statement.
Smile and exude positivity. A genuine smile can instantly make you more attractive and approachable.
I mean, obviously, I know I look hot because AI knows best and we should trust technology, but I also wanted some feedback from real humans.
Oh shoot, there's someone coming in. No question. Tell me your honest opinion. What do we think? For depends on whose wedding.
I can't wait to walk on the street like this.
Great day out here.
For picking up from the airport.
This is going really well, you guys. I'm not even showing my full outfit yet. Let me take my jacket off. Okay. Now we're rolling. People are running away. It's fine. It's fine. I feel bad. There are children around.
This is a look, right? It's a look.
It is a look.
At a glance, it doesn't look too bad, you know? Should I go in and get Starbucks?
I'm going to go to Olivia's place and surprise her.
Beautiful day.
Oh, hi. Already. Oh my gosh, I'm doing that. It looks so cool.
Literally the most kind person ever.
Why?
It's art. I thought it's like kind of artistic. It looks like.
What's your thought on me showing up at the airport like this?
At this point, I found the answer to my dilemma.
Men are so weird.
As Chat GPT said,
Remember, the most important aspect of a glow up is embracing and loving yourself for who you are.
if anything, this whole glow up has been benefiting one person so far.
Do you think airport security will arrest me?
Me. I'm the one having a blast.
This is actually so much fun. So what we're doing is showing up like this at the airport, right?
I don't need to purposely dress up or glow up for a man.
Very true.
But I also don't need to purposely look ugly or scary just to make a point that I am not glowing up for a man.
My smile is scaring myself a little.
This is my glow up for my well-being, and I get to wear whatever the fudge I want.
Don't mind me, I'm just letting my natural beauty sink
And I
in.
actually do like my garbage bag couture. Haters can fight me, okay? I would throw avocados or ginger shots at your face. This is my creation. Don't talk trash about it. Get it?
I'm so funny. I'm actually going like this. I don't know why I'm whispering. I'm at LAX. Right here. I'm very close. Shouldn't be vlogging when driving. Yes, I'm actually wearing this garbage bag and it's gonna be great. Proud of this outfit.
Don't forget, you can shop my ThredUp pics in the link below and use code Zoe for an extra 40% off your first order.
What do you think
About this outfit?
Your outfit? I think it's a fantastic outfit. It's recyclable.
It's recyclable.
In the real world.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm very happy with how ESG you are.
Okay.
You should run for California governor one day.
Thank you.
What do we do next, Miss Zoe? First, subscribe.